It's time to sew together section 1 of our Pumpkins and Potions quilt. Here are all the blocks that we have sewn, and we are going to put together section 1. Section 1 will be the Keep Calm and Carry On. From our filler blocks, it will be this orange fabric. We will save these for later. Then we have our stitch and spell that will go up here with the ghost. We have the flying geese with the We've Got a Problem, and this will be saved for another time. So the first thing that we will do is we will sew these two together. We will sew the ghost and the stitch and spell together, and the flying geese and the spider together. The first thing I'm going to do is go from my normal 2.5 millimeter stitch length down to 2, just to have a smaller stitch length while I'm sewing these together, since I will not be reversing the stitches to hold them in place. The smaller stitch length will help do that. Iron down a little bit so it's not quite as hot, and it doesn't seem to be sticking to the no-show mesh. So I will leave my iron lower when I use that as my stabilizer. I press the seam open, and I will do the same to the other blocks.